Let's plan this out just a little bit. We have two parts here. We know that the difference between them is equal to 20, right? And then we should represent within each of those slots what we have in the words. So we see here 3 times the measurement of the complement of an angle. So we want to do 3 times. Now the measurement of a complement of an angle, since complements add up to 90, we can represent this as 90 minus x. And then we're subtracting from that the measurement of the supplement, and supplements are 180. So the measurement of the supplement is 180 minus the value of x. So I've organized it now, and I can start to just do the algebra at this point and clean some things up. I think I'll try to erase these so they're less distracting now that I've used them to organize things. I'll start here. I'll use distributive property. 3 times 90 is 270. And I'll be subtracting 3x, 3 times x. And then over here, one way to think about this is to remember that we rewrite subtraction as adding the opposite. So rather than subtracting one set of 180 plus negative x, we're going to be adding a negative 1 set. So let's go ahead and multiply those. So negative 1 times 180 is negative 180. And a negative 1 times a negative x is a positive x. And that's still equal to 20. I can combine like terms on the left-hand side. I have some constant terms here. So 270 minus 180 is 90. Plus, I also have some variable terms. I have minus 3x and x. When I have minus 3x plus x, I have minus 2x. And that's equal to 20. I'm going to subtract the 90 from both sides. That will put all of the constant terms on one side and the variable terms on the other. On the left-hand side, I'll be left with negative 2x. On the right-hand side, 20 minus 90, which is equivalent to 20 plus negative 90, leaves me with a negative 70. We're almost done. I will be dividing by the coefficient, and since the coefficient of x is negative 2, so including the negative, I will do that same division on both sides. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 gives me a positive 1 as the coefficient for x. That's what I wanted. I wanted that coefficient to be positive 1. And on the right-hand side, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 70 divided by 2 is 35. So now I know that the measurement of the angle is 35 degrees.